So today I did like 4 rounds off-roading. So
Hey, want to be in the vlog?
no, I don't want to eat it.
Yeah, you have to.
No.
Oh, you have to eat it. Come here.
No.
Eat it.
No.
Eat it.
Eat body.
Okay, guys. We're gonna go off-road.
No.
Yes, you have to eat it.
We're gonna go off-road on our bikes.
Yeah.
Right?
So I already did 4 like trails.
You want to show them?
Yeah. So that's my bike and that's the camera guy's bike. So we're gonna go all the way, touch all the way there, and come back, touch here. So we're going to do 2 rounds because we're going to start from here to back. So that's 2, and that's going to be tough. Look at that. Look all of that. So yeah. And so the more risky ones are these yellow things, the orange things. So let's start. Okay. Holy! Yo guys, my seat is hot and I'm sweaty. Oh, I know how I got sweaty. So the seat got me sweaty.
Here, you go first.
Huh?
I'll be right behind you.
I can't turn it down.
Go.
It's kind of easy, but so risky.
Ooh. No, almost.
I just hear like this crash.
Look at my horn.
My own broke.
No, I broke it.
Huh?
And I threw it in the garbage.
Oh, but it was broken?
No, cause you were annoying.
Huh?
You were annoying. I'm not ready to end my videos because I don't know how much I'm going to make videos. But, that's my camera guy. He doesn't drink nothing because I'm his boss. So yeah, guys. Where do you want to go?
But I don't know no places.
What did you just say?
Huh?
What did you just say?
I know one place is 3 hours drive, and it's somewhere in Cali, but it takes half Cali and half Brampton. Let me know. So we're going back, but I don't. So yesterday video I saw my friend. He was my friend Armand, and I'm not going to see him because I'm going to go to this school for grade 3. And then, but I'm in grade 2 still, right?
Yeah, you're gonna go in grade 3.
So,
And then you have
so I'm
EQAO.
in grade 2, that means, but whoever's in grade 3, get ready for grade 4 because that's the hardest class. When it ends grade 6, it's going to get so hard. Really hard. So be ready to drive a car. Who's in grade 11 car.
watching this video. Get ready to get some workout stuff.
Come hurry up. Also, are we leaving?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, gonna go to the park, but my brother is a dummy, doesn't know how to do nothing. So I'm gonna go to the park and end the vlog there stuff. Okay, so I'm not going to play rock, paper, scissors. Because my camera said rock, paper, scissors stuff to get wet. I don't get wet. There's another video I was doing all wet stuff. It's gonna get boring. Just sitting there to stuff. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm recording. Nah, these reviews are broken and they're fake. And I did the light off. So, one, two, bingo. These two houses have that's that house and this house. One house in the room. Two houses. So you got a bingo. So I'm just going so. I'm gonna point this camera somewhere. If somebody steals it, I'm gonna run and course. So this, I think I'm gonna make. Yeah. So videos with my friend again. And it's gonna be soccer match number 2 if you subscribe. Subscribe 200. Is 60, 90,000. Okay, so we're not almost above 50 subscribers. Okay, and that will make these videos good. But that other video was 7 minutes. I think one video would be 1 hour. And on camera, guys, all this stuff working itself. Look. And yeah. So I'm gonna go there and the monkey board are gonna do nothing. Like the second video I made, it was 1 hate, so that means it was not that good for a video. So so it will be 6 or 20 minutes. And shout out to this time. Forgot to shout out to Gavin, Arlen Block, and kale and the stuff. Okay. And he shout out to so yeah. So we're at the park now. There's a water park here in this park. So yeah, the town of Caledon Park. So all the way there. I tell you it's a water park, but I got like 5 times wet there, like 5 times. If you're in the comments, if you couldn't hear me when I was walking, there's towel and there's a this guy right there. And now I'm gonna put the camera somewhere here, and I'm gonna be cutting the pieces now. It'd be so rock paper scissors time. Huh? Okay. So we'll meet you when I get to the other